Hello, again thank you and you are most welcome to my new video. You see the subject here, monophthong and 12 sounds. Already I have discussed the kinds of sounds. There are two types of sounds you see, the vowel sound and the consonant sound. And the vowel sound are divided into two parts, and one of them is monophthong. Monophthong, 12 sounds. And now I will discuss one after another. How many monophthongs and what are they? And how we will understand them. Okay, now come to our main point. You see here the monophthong 12 sounds. And it is a matter of surprising that the monophthong are 12 sounds, but there are 5 long sounds and 7 short sounds. It's also a surprising matter. 5 long sound and 7 short sound. The 5 long sounds are, what are they? You see, e, o, u. These are the long sounds. And you see there's 7 short sound. 7 short sound. What are they? E, U, E, A, O. These are the short sound. I mean that if these long sounds we see beside a letter, the letter will be long sound. And if we see the short symbol beside the letter, the sound will be short. As for example, you can see HIT. Here, beside the letter, the symbol H, E, T, ha, E, T, hit, ha, E, T, hit. This is short sound. And next you see H, E, A, T. But here, the symbol here, long sound. So it is heat. It is heat and it is hit. Hit. And in the same way, you see P, U, T. Here, what you see? The short sound. Oo. And next you see F, O-O-D. I mean that F, oo. Here the symbol is oo, long sound, and it is short sound. So it is put and it is foot. So, and that's all. Okay. Thank you. Bye.